Can you really build wealth on autopilot? Sounds like a sci-fi fantasy, but today it's becoming a reality. Thanks to AI, anyone with a smartphone can start investing, even if you have no money, no Wall Street connections, and no fancy degrees. At its core, AI investing is simple. You feed the AI your cash, and it uses its vast intelligence and lightning-fast speed to analyze everything from stock prices to economic data, news articles, and even social media chatter to find the best investments. Then it buys and sells them automatically on your behalf. But how do you know which platform to use? There are plenty of options out there, but not all of them are created equal. Look for a platform that charges low fees, has no minimum investment, offers a wide range of investments, and has a user-friendly interface. Once you've signed up and funded your account, the magic happens automatically. The platform will use your cash to buy investments based on your goals and risk tolerance, and you can sit back and watch your wealth grow. But remember, investing is a long-term game. Don't get emotional, chase hot stocks, or try to time the market. Stay focused on your goals and review your investments regularly. With the right platform and a disciplined approach, you can harness the power of AI to build wealth on autopilot.